In a medical environment, the air quality is vital to the patient's safety and health. The Dutch hospital, de Gelderse Vallei in Ede, uses Lighthouse's automated air monitoring systems in its operating rooms and sterile pharmaceutical departments. It's essential to control the air quality in the OR. Lighthouse's system enables hospitals to monitor the air quality and to inform its users about unsafe room conditions and improper behavior.
Lighthouse specializes in cleanroom monitoring and operates in the semiconductor and pharmaceutical market. Our knowledge of cleanroom monitoring can be applied to OR monitoring. Air quality in operating rooms is vital. We can monitor all parameters to create a clean atmosphere.
The system continuously measures incoming and outgoing air currents and overpressure in all operating rooms and the amount of door movements.
We are here in an OR, where the air has to be clean. Clean air should be free of particles that may carry bacteria, so we want to reduce the amount of particles. If I activate this particle counter, you'll see the amount of dust particles here. If I measure it again under this downflow plenum, you'll see that clean air is provided on the patient bed. That's the core of Lighthouse's monitoring system. It monitors and controls the parameters needed to keep the patient clean. This device shows a lot of numbers and green squares. It measures the amount of door movements, changes of temperature, and other things important to air quality control. If one of these values changes, one of the squares will turn red. We'll immediately contact our floor manager, and the warning system will be activated. The OR is a complex and high-tech environment. It includes many invisible aspects, such as air control. There are different air currents, changes of temperature, with all their influences which cannot be seen. This device enables us to monitor them and gauge their effects.
We are here in the technical room above the operating rooms of the hospital. It accommodates all the equipment needed to control the ORs.
These are the air handling units that lead to operating room 1 in order to provide clean air. We monitor the temperature of it. This one is the return duct and has temperature and humidity sensors. This is one of the 100 sensors installed in the air handling units to ensure the quality of the air. This is the central control unit, the convergence point of all cables connected to all sensors installed in the OR complex. All sensors are converted into digital signals, which are transported to the computer network so the operators can view the situation in each OR.
Using a web application, all data measured by the system can be remotely retrieved by the appropriate board in the hospital. Data can be connected to the building management system or other registration systems. Lighthouse can also give external assistance where necessary.
One of the advantages of Lighthouse managing systems is that we can install it turnkey. We can deal with the operating rooms in a hospital one after the other. So there will be no loss of time if an OR has to be put out of action. We install the systems in the evening and in the weekend, which results in a minimal loss of time for the hospital.
This hospital is equipped with an internal pharmacy where the air quality monitoring system is used as well.
This is a full facility pharmacy. We prepare many medicines to keep them in stock. We also do aseptic preparations, including cytostatic medicines for the oncology ward. The sterile production unit consists of several rooms where different operations take place. Each room has its own classification. Especially during the production, pressure hierarchy has to be monitored. Visual monitoring includes alarm beacons. If they're green, you know that the room is safe and in compliance. If they turn red, it means there's something wrong. This is accompanied by an acoustic signal. That's how the LMS assistant is triggered to check the system and, if necessary, to take action.
Systeem te gaan kijken wat aan de hand is en zo nodig actie te ondernemen. De belangrijkste bijdrage van ons.
The most important asset of our system is quality improvement, which is not always easy to measure in financial figures. However, the installation of our system, showing all the parameters, results in immediate quality improvement. And that's how you're able to recover the costs of the system.
The system contributes to increased safety. That's how Lighthouse has become a vital element of hospitals today.